Hello everyone, today's menu will be hot water cornbread. It's a quick and easy recipe using cornmeal and a few ingredients that everyone have on hand. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. In this medium bowl, I have cornmeal. I'm just gonna add in some sugar along with some salt and cinnamon. You can omit the cinnamon if you do not want. I'm just going to give it a quick mix. And then gonna add in some hot water. Make sure you have it on hand. And then we're gonna give it a nice mix to combine. You may need more or less. You'll want to make sure that you can pick it up without being sticky onto your hand. Slightly wet your hands and grab some mixture to form a 3-inch round circle. You can make it to any shape you like, even a heart if you wish. Continue until the dough is finished. Heat some butter on a cast iron or non-stick skillet on medium. When it's hot, slowly drop the patties in. Cook it for 2 minutes. Keep a close eye, it can burn quick. After 2 minutes, go ahead and slowly flip it to the other side and cook it for another 2 minutes. Turn down the heat if you need to. When it's done, remove it to a paper-lined plate and repeat the process until you're all out. Here is the end results of the hot water cornbread. I hope you'll give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest videos. Bye!